Home Depot, in case you didn't know, it's like my second home. So right now we're about to go shopping, get a couple of gloves. Safety is very important, so safety's first. Some cut-off wheels for the grinder because we have to cut off some metal. Things that we need to keep in inventory at all given times in our truck as well as in the shop. And then of course we pick up some things for the food truck. It's always a rush. It's just the way it is, but you know what? It's part of being a businessman, it's part of being in business, it's part of life, especially here in the New York City area. Come on down. All right, so right now we're going to pick up a couple of cutoff wheels right now. We're actually doing that job today here.
Oh no? Okay.
Sorry about that. All right guys, we're picking up a couple of cutoff wheels. So I like Milwaukee. Milwaukee's kind of like my preferred choice. One thing that I don't like about Home Depot is that they're always short on shit that I need. So always try to keep a good inventory of what you need, keep it in stock, or if you're gonna buy in bulk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right guys, I'm buying 8 cutoff wheels. They're from Milwaukee, or they're called Diablos. They're right here. They're 4.5 inch. So this is what we need to cut off some metal. The jacket of the boiler, it's very thin gauge. It's just a little bit bulky. So this makes life easier to cut it off. We'll peel the cover off, and we'll peel all the shitty insulation that's around the boiler. So hopefully we can find the water leak, which is what they're paying us to do for today. It's like a kid in a toy store and a candy store. In my case, I love tools. Who don't like tools in the trades? So in this case, my preferred choice is Milwaukee. In this case, we're looking for shears. So the M18. So right now it's about $229. I do got batteries, so I'm not worried about the batteries, but Milwaukee is one of the preferred tools of choice, and also they have a 5-year warranty on the tools. You can't get any other tool, so it's a no-brainer to me. Milwaukee, stick to your guns. Milwaukee, 5-year warranty. That's right. Well, I should be like an advocate for fucking Milwaukee, but this is my favorite tool. So we're gonna get the shears. Hopefully they have them in stock. And we'll get the fuck out of here because I hate being in Home Depot. That's the only thing I like about Home Depot. Everything takes forever. And of course, oh, this is not my aisle. It's not my aisle. I don't work in this aisle. I've been here so many times. I'm pretty familiar where all the tools are at, all the equipment, all the parts, or any supplies that I need. I have a very good understanding of where they're at in the aisles, so it makes life a lot easier.